first.
Okay. Dr. Clark, what is a cruciate ligament?
That joint there in a dog is called a stifle joint. It's exactly the same as a knee in a human joint, just different name. And inside the joint, two of the important ligaments. One goes from front to back, and the other one goes from back to front, so they cross over. And they stop the bones from moving in that direction. There are other.
So what symptoms will my dog have if he has a ruptured cruciate ligament?
Depending on how severe it is, if it's strained, he'll be limping badly, simply because there's a lot of pain involved and there's also abnormal movement within the joint. If it's ruptured, which means totally torn right through, he won't be able to use the leg at all. And they've all recovered just as well.
See, that's how it is here. That's okay.
Yes, not good. Ooh,
And what's the usual fix for this?
Usual is an interesting one. The current operation, which is really fashionable, is that's your stifle joint there, is to cut through the bone just below the stifle joint on a curved line, rotate that top little piece by about 3 or 4 degrees, and then put a big steel or titanium plate in there and screw the whole thing back together. And
What's the cost of acupuncture for a ruptured cruciate ligament?
generally it's about $75 per session, and you're usually looking at somewhere between 4 and 6 sessions to repair a damaged cruciate ligament, so probably in the order of a tenth of the cost of a TPLO, which was that operation I was talking about. Life.
And will my dog mind the needles?
No, 99% of dogs don't even seem to notice. They just sit there or lie there, don't feel the needles or don't react to the needles going in. And certainly the only problem with them is the boredom factor of sitting quietly for 10 minutes or in some cases 20 minutes.
Good girl.
Okay.
Alright, good girl, good girl.
Runs the studio will say, let's have a stiff whiskey pour, and that seems to sort of put it off for a little while. Moving well, mate. Goodness gracious. Sorry, I'll get your way. Good boy. Go on then. Back again. Good boy. Come on. That's it. Have a good try. Not going around the upper paddock at an arena at a trotting stud. Come on. That's it. Good boy.